Hello YouTube. Today we're going to look at this Zip Aquapoint 2. The customer phoned up to say it's not working, so we replaced it. So first of all, we're going to undo these two screws, which will undo this top faceplate. We're going to pull the knob off as well at the top, and that will let the cover come off. With the cover off, you can see these two copper cables that are in this hole here. That's your thermostat to help regulate the temperature of your hot water. But also, if you follow the cables back, it also this little red button. This is your thermal cutout. If the temperature of the water exceeds a certain temperature set, which I believe is around 92 to 96 degrees, that will pop out and cut the circulation of electricity to the element inside the heater. So you've got your mains cables coming in and then splitting off from this board to the thermostat handle and the thermal cutout. Right, going to whip the element off, undo these 5 bolts, and we'll see inside what the problem was with this heater originally. With them bolts undone, lifting the element up, you can see that it's beginning to rust and there is a lot of limescale build-up. This limescale build-up makes the element heat up and cut out. If the thermal cutout doesn't work, it will then short in the board of the water heater, causing it to not work anymore. As you can see, there's a massive build-up of limescale in here, which indicates this system is not on a water softener. So with this heater, the red one is your hot out that just goes through the plastic, and the cold goes all the way to the bottom, so it feeds from the bottom. I hope this helps anyone with these heaters and how they work, but they should be serviced at least once a year. Hope everyone has a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.